Namaste children, welcome to the online class. How are you all kids? I hope all are fine and safe at your home along with your family, right? Yes. So today we are going to learn English, okay? So before beginning the class, let us see a small video, right? Yes.
Two little hands to clap, clap, clap. Two little legs go tap, tap, tap. Two little eyes open wide. One little head goes side to side, side to side, side to side.
Welcome back children. How was the song? Nice. Yes. What are the actions that you saw in that song? Clapping, isn't it? The first one, clapping. Do you clap your hands? Yes. Tap your feet. You can tap your feet, isn't it? Yes. Open your eyes wide. Open your eyes wide. Next, shake your head. You can shake your head, isn't it? Yes. So these are some of the actions that we do with our body, isn't it children? Yes. Now let us see the vocabulary exercise in page number 18 of your workbook, right? Yes. Look at these pictures. Tick the actions that we make using these body parts. There may be more than one correct answer for each part. So here you are given the pictures of body parts and some actions. You have to check whether we can do those actions with that body part. And the body parts use பண்ணி அங்க கொடுத்திருக்கிற actions பண்ண முடியுமா? Okay, you have to check that, right? And you have to put if it is correct, right children? Yes. The first picture is picture of feet, and see the words given. Stamp. Can you stamp your feet? Yes, we can stamp our feet. So put a tick there. Yes. And second word, tap. Can you tap your feet? Yes, we can tap our feet. So put a tick there. Third one, click. Can you click your feet? Click means what? Making sound like this. This is clicking. You can click your fingers, right? So can you make sound like this with your feet? No, we cannot, isn't it? So don't put tick. Next, swing. Can you swing your feet? Yes, you can swing, isn't it? Yes. So put a tick there. Next, wrinkle. Wrinkle means what? You can wrinkle your forehead. Do like this. You can fold your eyebrows like this, isn't it? You can fold. You சுருக்குவீங்களா நல்லா? Yes? Yes, that is wrinkle. Can you do that with your feet? No. Isn't it? Yes. So don't put tick. So next picture is the picture of your head. And see the word nod. Nod means what? Moving the head up and down. Nod. Do you want ice cream? Yes. You nod your head, right? Yes. So put a tick there. Next, shake. You can shake, isn't it? Shake your head. Yes. Put a tick there. Very good. Third one, scratch. You scratch your head like this. When you are confused, you scratch your head. ரொம்ப confused இருக்கீங்கன்னா, you will scratch your head like this, isn't it? So put a tick over there. Very good. Next word is lower. Lower means putting your heads down. If you make any mistake and your parents or teachers or friends or someone found that you have done the mistake, you mistake பண்ணிட்டு அந்த தப்ப யாராவது கண்டுபிடிச்சாங்கன்னா what will you do? You will put your heads down, isn't it? தலை குனிவீங்க இல்லையா? That is lower. So you can lower your head. So put a tick there. Okay. Next, curl. Can you curl your head? You can curl your hair. Hair curl பண்ணலாம் இல்லையா? Not your head. So don't put a tick there. See the next picture. Picture of your eyes is given there. Picture of your eyes. See the word widen. Can you widen your eyes? Yes, you can widen your eyes, isn't it? When you are surprised to hear something, ஏதாவது surprising-ஆ கேட்டீங்கன்னா, or if you see something surprisingly, ஏதாவது surprise-ஆ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, what will you do? You will widen your eyes. Yes? So put a tick there. Very good. Next, shake. Can you shake your eyes? You can shake your head, isn't it? But not your eyes. Eyes shake பண்ண முடியாது. So don't put a tick there. Next, tighten. Tighten. Can you tighten? Tight பண்ண முடியுமா? Not possible. So don't put a tick there. Next, roll. Can you roll your eyes? Shall we roll our eyes? Yes. Roll. Yes. This is what we call rolling. Roll your eyes. Yes. Very good. Put a tick there. Next, rub. Do you rub your eyes? When you feel sleepy, தூக்கம் வரும்போது என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? You will rub your eyes, isn't it? Or when you cry, அழும்போது என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? You will rub your eyes. Yes, children? Very good. So put a tick there. Next, complete these sentences with the correct words from the box. Here the answers are given, children. You have to find out the correct answer and fill in these blanks. Okay? See the first question. Doesn't Kira look happy? Look at her sitting on the wall. Dash her feet. So, Kira is happy. So, she is sitting on the wall. And what will she do? She will swing her feet. Isn't it? She will swing her feet. So, write here swinging. Okay? Now, see the second one. Nikhil's eyes dash in surprise when he heard the news. Nikhil's eyes dash in surprise. So, when we are surprised, what happens to our eyes? Eyes get widened. Eyes get widened. Okay? So, number 2, answer is widened. Question number 3. Jeev felt bad about lying to his friend. He dashed his head in shame. So, Jeev வந்து friends கிட்ட போய் சொல்லியிருக்கான். Okay? So, what will he do with his head? He will lower his head in shame. இல்லையா? நம்ம போய் சொல்லி யாராவது கண்டுபிடிச்சாங்கன்னா என்ன பண்ணுவோம் நம்ம? We will lower our head in shame. So, lowered is the answer. Right? Question number 4. George has a bad habit of dash his foot when he is angry. So, George angry ஆனா என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க? He will stamp. Stamp his foot. The answer is stamping. Okay? Write the answer here. George has a bad habit of stamping his foot when he is angry. Fifth one. Jana yawned and dashed her eyes sleepily. It was time for bed. So, when you feel sleepy, what will you do with your eyes? You will rub your eyes, isn't it? தூக்கம் வந்தா என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? You will rub your eyes. So, the answer is rubbed. Okay? Did you get the answer, children? Now complete this exercise and submit it for tomorrow. Right, children? Yes. Yes, children. I hope you have understood the concept clearly. We'll see you in the next class. Thank you. Namaste.